Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to see liked posts on Instagram. So go for your Instagram profile, okay, then go to in this three-line option. Now go for your activity here. Now you can see here likes. So if you click on it, and you can see all of your liked videos or posts are here. So you can see it from here. You can see. So guys, this is how you can see liked posts on Instagram. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by XiroSoft. XiroSoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with XiroSoft today. For more details, check the description box.